Hello. I'm going to read the Microsoft Terms of Use. I will admit I haven't done this before, not for Microsoft, so let's start reading these first. Acceptance of the terms. The services that Microsoft provides to you are subject to the following terms of use. Microsoft reserves the right to update the TOU at any moment without notice to you. The most current version of the TOU can be reviewed by clicking the Terms of Use hypertext link located at the bottom of our web pages, as I just did. Description of the services. Through its network of web properties, Microsoft provides you with access to a variety of resources, including developer tools, download areas, communication forums, and product information, collectively services. The services, including any updates, enhancements, new features, and/or the addition of any new web properties, are subject to the TOU, personal and non-commercial use limitation. Unless otherwise specified, the services are for your personal, non-commercial use. You may not copy, modify, distribute, transmit, display, perform, reproduce, publish, license, create derivative works from, transfer, or sell any information, software, products, or services obtained from the services. Privacy and protection of personal information. See the privacy statement disclosures relating to the collection of your information. Okay? Let's take a look. Microsoft Privacy Statement. Last updated June 2007. Your privacy is important to us. This privacy statement explains what personal data we collect from you and how we use it. We encourage you to read the summaries below and click on Learn More if you'd like more information on a particular topic. The product-specific details sections provide additional information relevant to the particular Microsoft products. The statement applies to the Microsoft products listed below, as well as other Microsoft products that display this statement. References to Microsoft products in this statement include Microsoft services, websites, apps, software, and devices. Okay. Wonder how much is in the Learn More. Well, we'll get it. Personal data we collect. Microsoft collects data to operate effectively and provide you with the best experiences with our products. You provide some of this data directly, such as when you create a Microsoft account, submit a search query to Bing, speak a voice command to Cortana, upload a document to OneDrive, purchase an MSDN subscription, sign up for an Office 365, or contact us for support. We get some of it by recording how you interact with our products by, for example, using technologies like cookies and receiving error reports or usage status from the software running on your device. We also obtain data from third parties. How much more? There is quite a lot here. Well, if we're going to do this, we're going to do this right. Wait, why does this look different? We also obtain data from third parties. We obtain data from third parties according to the parties' practices described in the statement, plus any additional restrictions imposed by the source of the data. These third-party sources vary over time but have included data brokers from which we purchase demographic data to supplement the data we collect, social networks which you grant permission to a Microsoft product access to your data on one or more networks, service providers that helps determine a location based off of your IP address in order to customize certain products to your location, partners with which we do co-branded services or engage in joint marketing activities, and publicly available sources such as open government databases or other data in public domain. You have choices about the data we collect. When you are asked to provide personal data, you may decline, but if you choose not to provide data that is necessary to provide a product or feature, you may not be able to use that product or feature. The data we collect depends on the products and features that you use. It can include the following: name and contact data. We will collect your first and last name, email address, postal address, phone number, and other similar contact data. Credentials. We collect passwords, password hints, and security information, similar security information used after authentication and account access. Demographic data. We collect data such about you such as your age, gender, country, and preferred language. Payment data. We collect data necessary to process your payment if you make purchases, such as your payment instrument number, such as credit card number, and the security code associated with your payment instrument. Interesting. Device and usage data. We collect data about your device and how you and your device interact with Microsoft and our products. For example, we collect product use data. We collect data about the features you use, items you purchase, and the websites you visit. This data includes your voice and text search queries or commands to Bing, Cortana, and our chatbots. Device connectivity and configuration data. We collect data about your device and the network you use to connect our products. It includes data about the operating system, other software installed on your device, including product keys. This also includes IP address device identifiers, such as IMEI number for phones, regional, and language settings. Error reports and performance data. We collect data about the performance of the products and any problems you may experience with them. This data helps us to diagnose problems in the products you use and to improve our products and provide solutions. Depending on your product and settings, error reports can include data such as the type of severity of the problem, details of the software or hardware related to an error, contents of the files you were using when an error occurred, and the data about other software on your device. I was not aware of that. Support data. When you engage Microsoft for support, we collect data about you and your hardware, software, and other details related to the support incident. Such data includes contact or authentication data, the content of your chats and other communications with Microsoft support, data about the condition of the machine, and the application when the fault occurred during the diagnostics, and system and registry data about software installations and hardware configurations. Interest and favorites. We collect data about your interest and favorites, such as the teams you follow in a sports app, the stocks you track in a finance app, the favorite cities you add to weather apps. In addition to those you explicitly provide, your interests and favorites may also be inferred or derived from other data we collect. Very interesting. Not sure how much I like that. Contacts and relationships. We collect data about your contacts and relationships if you use a Microsoft product to manage contacts or to communicate or interact with other people or organizations. Location data. We collect data about your location, which can be either precise or imprecise. Precise location data can be global positioning system (GPS) data, as well as data identifying nearby cell towers and Wi-Fi hotspots. We collect when you enable location-based products or features. Imprecise location data includes, for example, a location derived from your IP address or data that indicates where you are located with less precision, such as a city or postal code level. Content. We collect the content of your files and communications when necessary to provide you with the products you use. For example, if you receive an email using Outlook.com or Exchange Online, we need to collect the content of that email to deliver it in your inbox, to display it to you, enable you to reply to it, and store it for you until you choose to delete it. Examples of this data include content of your documents, photos, music, or videos you upload to a Microsoft service such as OneDrive, as well as the content of your communications sent to receive using Microsoft products such as Outlook.com or Skype, including the subject line or body of an email, text or content of an instant message, audio and recording of a video message, and audio recording and transcript of a voice message you receive or a text message you dictate. We also collect the content of the messages you sent to us, such as feedback and product reviews you write, or questions or information you provide for our customer support. When you contact us, such as for customer support, phone conversations or chat sessions with our representatives may be monitored and recorded. If you enter our retail stores or other facilities, your image may be captured by our security cameras. Product-specific sections below describe data collection practices applicable to the use of those products. That was only one. Okay, next. How we use personal data. Microsoft uses the data we collect to provide to you the products we offer, which includes using the data to improve and personalize your experiences. We may also use the data to communicate with you, for example, informing you about your account, security updates, and product information. And when we use data to help show more relevant ads, whether in our own products like MSN or Bing, or in products offered by third parties. However, we do not use what you say in email, chat, video calls, or voicemail, or your documents, photos, or other personal files to target ads to you. Oh, so it all changes. Okay. Microsoft uses the data we collect for three basic purposes, describing in more detail below to 1. To operate our business and provide including improvising and personalizing the products we offer. 2. To send communications including promotional communications. And 3. For some products to show advertising. In carrying out these purposes, we combine data we collect to give you a more seamless, consistent, and personalized experience. For example, Cortana can use the favorite sports team you add to the Microsoft Sports app to provide information relevant to your interest. Or Windows Store can use information about the apps and services you use to make a personalized app recommendations. However, to enhance privacy, we have built technological and procedural safeguards designed to prevent certain data combinations. For example, we store data we collect from you when you are unauthenticated, not signed in, separately from any account information that directly identifies you, such as your name, email, address, or phone number. Right? So they can track you even if you're not signed in to your Microsoft account or anything. Providing and improving our products. We use data to provide and improve the products we offer and perform essential business operations. This includes operating the products, maintaining and improving the performance of the products, including developing new features, research, and providing customer support. Examples of such uses include the following. Providing the products. We use data to carry out your transactions with us to provide our products to you. Often, those products include personalized features and recommendations that enhance your productivity and enjoyment, and automatically tailor your product experiences based on the data we have about your activities, interest, and location. Customer support. We use data to diagnose product problems, repair customers' devices, and provide other customer care and support services. Product activation. We use data including device and application type, location, unique device, We use data including device and application type, location, and unique device, application, network, and subscription identifiers to activate software and devices that require activation. Product improvement. We use data to continually improve our products, including adding new features or capabilities such as using error reports to improve security features, using search queries and clicks in Bing to improve the relevancy of search results, using usage data to determine what new features to prioritize, or using audio recordings from voice input features to improve speech recognition accuracy. Security, safety, and dispute resolution. We use data to protect the security and safety of our products and our customers, to detect and prevent fraud, to confirm the validity of software licenses, to resolve disputes and enforce our agreements. Our security features and products can disrupt the operation of malicious software and notify users if malicious software is found on their devices. For example, many of our communications and file syncing products systematically scan content in an automated manner to identify suspected spam, viruses, abusive actions, or URLs that have been flagged as fraud, phishing, or malware links. We may block delivery of a communication or remove content if it violates our terms. Business operations. We use data to develop aggregate analysis and business intelligence that enables us to operate, protect, and make informed decisions and report on the performance of our business. Communications. We use data and we collect to deliver and personalize our communications with you. For example, we may contact you by email or by other means to inform you when a subscription is ending. Let you know when security updates are available, remind you about items left in your online shopping cart, update you or inquire about a service or repair request, invite you to participate in a survey, or tell you that you need to take action to keep your account active. Additionally, you can sign up for email subscriptions and choose whether you wish to receive promotional communications from Microsoft by email, SMS, physical mail, and telephone. It'd be pretty funny if you got physical mail about this. For information about managing email subscriptions and promotional communications, please visit the Access Controls section of this privacy statement. I think we're going to get there. Advertising. Many of our products are supported by advertising. We share the data we collect with third parties such as AOL and AppNext so that they can select and deliver some of the ads you see on our sites and apps, as well as other sites and apps serviced by these partners. The ads that you see may be selected based on your current location, search query, or the content you're reviewing. Other ads are targeted based on your likely interest or other information learned about you over time using demographic data, search queries, interests and favorites, usage data from our own sites and apps, and the sites and apps of our advertisers and partners, and location data, which we refer to as interest-based advertising in this statement. To provide interest-based advertising, we combine cookies placed on your device using information that we collect, such as IP address, when your browser interacts with our websites. If you opt out of receiving interest-based advertising, data associated with these cookies will not be used. Microsoft does not use what you say in an email, chat, video calls, or voicemail, or the documents or photos or other personal files to target ads to you. You can opt out of receiving interest-based advertisements from Microsoft by visiting our opt-out page. More information and advertising controls is available in the Access and Controls section of this privacy statement. Further details regarding our advertising related uses of data include advertising industry best practices and commitments. Microsoft is a member of the Network Advertising Initiative, NAI, and adheres to the NAI Code of Conduct. We also adhere to the following self-regulatory programs: in the US, Digital Advertising Alliance, DAA; in Europe, European Interactive Digital Advertising Alliance, EDAA; and in Canada, Ad Choices, Digital Advertising Alliance of Canada, DAAC, / I can't speak French. Health-related ad targeting. In the United States, we provide interest-based advertising based on a limited number of standard non-sensitive health-related interest categories, including allergies, arthritis, cholesterol, cold and flu, diabetes, gastrointestinal health, headache/migraine, healthy eating, healthy heart, men's health, oral health, osteoporosis, skin health, sleep, and vision/eye care. We will also target ads based on custom non-sensitive health-related interest categories as requested by advertisers. Children and advertising. We do not deliver interest-based advertising to children whose birthday on their Microsoft account identifies them as under 13 years of age. Data retention. For interest-based advertising, we retain data for no more than 13 months unless we obtain your consent to retain the data longer. Data sharing. In some cases, we share with advertisers reports about the data we have collected on their sites or ads. Advertisers may choose to place our web beacons on their sites in order to allow Microsoft to collect information on their sites, such as activities, purchases, and visits. Hello?